Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. The Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for any purchases. Looks like today we're working on number 237. If we start with this box, we're missing, oh no, let's start with this one. 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 here and a 9 here. So this is our 2. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. If we start with this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 8, 5. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes and a 7 here. So this is our 1, 7, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here. So 9, 2. For this row, we're missing 1 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so we're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 3, 6. And no help here, so 3, 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 and 7 here. So this is our 2. That 7 makes this our 6. 7. Now we can get rid of this 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 3, 6. A 3 and a 6 here, so this is our 8. So that leaves 3 and 6 here. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 and 9 here, so this is our 3. The 9 makes this our 5, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For the square now, we're missing a 5 and a 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 3 up. I see we've got 2 8s here. And ended up with 2 4s here somehow. I wonder... Nope, the 4 couldn't be mixed up with the 8 because we've got a 4 up there as well. All right, well, that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. If you saw where I made a mistake, please do put a comment in down below. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.